Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and मेरे साथ है श्रुति. Hello.
Hello, you can call me Shruth. How are you, Joe?
I'm good. How are you? What's going on? All good? Are you
Just
ready?
life and such. Yes, absolutely ready. Come on. What have you got lined up for us today?
Lovely thing. Last time he made us cry. Well, he made me cry. So
Hmm. Well, who doesn't? That's true. तुम्हारे टिश्यू
I
कहाँ
will
हैं,
ignore
Jyoti?
that. I will ignore
Where
that.
are your tissues?
Tissues are ready. Tissues are ready. And I'm hoping though that I don't need to use them.
Do I need to? What kind of a song is it? Do I need to go get the tissues?
I mean, it sounds like a tribute-ish kind of title. मैं और मेरे
तो बात
idols.
Sleeve है ऐसे.
Just use that. It's all good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So Balli और मैं, remember we reacted, and then I couldn't even say bye properly in that video. And as soon as just for everyone, as soon as we stopped recording, I cried, and how Shruti knows. So Talha Anjum is someone we have high regard for, because as an artist, if you can make someone laugh, great, but most difficult thing is to make someone cry. So
To make us feel that emotion to that level.
now
आज क्या
let's
वो
see.
feel कराएंगे?
देखते हैं. It's called मैं और मेरे idols, and in the album art, it's got like I can recognize a few rappers up there. So clearly people he must have heard growing up and got inspired by.
Yeah.
Must be like a tribute to them. That's all I know. The music is produced by Umair Khan. So let's get into it.
Count me down. Yes.
ठीक है? Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play. Subtitles. Oh. नहीं है.
मैं और मेरे आइडल्स, मैं और मेरे आइडल्स, काश मैं बना सकता एक और गाना, नाम होता उसका मैं और मेरे राइवल्स. ये गाना वॉइस के लिए है, व्यूज के लिए नहीं. ये गाना नॉइज है, किसी न्यूज के लिए नहीं. ये गाना वार्निंग है, किसी ट्रूस के लिए नहीं. मुझे किसी दूसरे से ना कंपेयर कीजिए प्लीज. ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कौन कितने पानी में. मैं हर महीने गाना फेंकता हूँ, यानी के कितने फैंस मेरे तेरा डी में पूछ ले. आई डोंट नीड अ पास, बेटा गुस्सा नहीं मैं पूछ के. रियल टॉक, कोई अपना नहीं, गम के मारे हैं हम. ए खुदा तेरे करम पे, तेरे सहारे पे हम लगे हाथों. एक सच बता दूं दुनिया को, 2008 में सुना बोहेमिया को. उसके बाद उर्दू में लिखना किया था शुरू. जो भी मेरे आइडल्स वही मेरे गुरु. राइवल्स मेरे बोरिंग है ब्रो. आई स्मोक रैपर जैसे स्कोरिंग है ब्रो. जैसे मैं करता तेरे से होना नहीं ब्रो. आई डोंट पे फॉर सेक्स, तो मेरे आगे रंडी रोना नहीं ब्रो. तुम सो रहे थे जब मैं रातें जाग रहा था. रेस थी ही नहीं, मैराथन भाग रहा था. कलमा है शहादत for the dead ones. Looking for competition, anybody got some? ये rappers pioneers को करते हैं diss. मैं हंसता सुन के लेकिन फिर उदास होता. इतनी नेगेटिव हो गई है इनकी सोच के जिसको ये सुन के शुरू हुए थे रैप करना, इनको लगता है कि वो बंदा नहीं है वो, पर वो वही है, बस तुझे समझ नहीं है. और राजा को अभी भी तुमसे गर्ज नहीं है, और KDM को डिफेंड करना मेरा फर्ज नहीं है. लिल ज़ैन बोला टूपाक का म्यूजिक बोरिंग है. हम तुझ में और इस चूतिए में कैसे फर्क करेंगे. तू उससे बेहतर है लिरिकली, पर ये समझ के मेंटली तू कल्चर से कनेक्टेड ही नहीं. ये डिपेंड करता है तेरे अपने आप पे. समझ रहना बात पे, समझ रहना. कौन है मेरे राइवल? मैं आँख खोलूं मुझे देखे चारों ओर सिर्फ मैं और मेरे आइडल्स, मैं और मेरे आइडल्स. काश मैं बना सकता एक और गाना, नाम होता उसका मैं और मेरे राइवल्स. But I ain't got no rivals. But I ain't got no rivals. Yeah, I got some idols. Yeah, I got some idols. जिनको सुना उनसे सीखा, कोई शक नहीं. आज तेरा कल मेरा सगा, कोई वक्त नहीं. सगे सिर्फ वो जो है साथ खड़े. नसीहतें देने वाले तो बहुत बड़े. मुझे एक बुजुर्ग ने कहा था, छोटे ऐसे जिंदगी गुजार लेके तुझसे मौत डरे. मौला मदद तेरा ही तो आसरा है, मेरा किसी से भी यहाँ क्या मुआजना है. बाज ना आए फिर भी करें कंपैरिजन. Fuck fame, let's talk about heritage. Fame side पे, let's talk about legacy. 10 साल call me Cognac Hennessy. मेरे पास उर्दू हिप हॉप की रेसिपी. Frizzy vibes, got a lot of enemies. So dope, I make your fucking nose bleed. So woke, raat bhar I couldn't sleep. I ain't a killer but don't push me. Urdu rap, rock and roll, or मैं Elvis Presley. You'll miss me, industry already trying to test me. Rappers trying to impress me, I'm unimpressed. Content नहीं hefty, मैं lefty नहीं पर मेरा हर काम है उल्टा. Loyalty is rare, वफादार कोई नहीं मिलता. मैं लिख रहा हूँ पिछले 10 साल से रोज रैप. मुझे टक्कर कैसे देगा कोई नया लड़का. जोर लगा लड़के जोर लगा. मैं कोई वन सॉन्ग वंडर नहीं, मुझे टाइम बहुत लगा. Down this road मिले हैं बेशुमार लोग. क्या बताऊं तुझे कौन है मेरा सगा. I've been doing it since 09. जितने भी rappers थे तब अब हो चुके retired or fired or hired by a boss. और मैं अपना boss हूँ. You gain some, you lose some. मैं तेरा वो loss हूँ. मिर्चे लगे जैसे ये Tabasco sauce हो. Flow so cold जैसे whiskey on the rocks bro. मेरे बरअक्स खड़ा तू मेरा अक्स नहीं. मैं जिससे मुतासिर हुआ तू वो शख्स नहीं. मैं अपने फैन से मुखातिब होके कहा था कि तेरे में और मेरे में कोई फर्क नहीं. बस करो. I never made मलिक, मुझे ऐसा ही मिला था. किसी ने कहा है साजिशों का कोई सिलाना. काविशों से इंसान काट लेते हैं पहाड़. पार करते हैं दरिया जब रास्ते होते दुश्वार. इसी तरह I came from nothing in 2019 उर्दू rap scene. I'm the guy you can't fuck with. It's stuck with me. ये रिश्ता कबर से कबर तक. तू दस्त बरदार गेम से मत दखल अब. Murder on my mind. Johnny call me John Wick. Got a doctor on the line. तेरा भाई so sick. बहुत hard उर्दू rap god में. मैं नहीं खुदा bro, I'm just a part of God's plan. मैं और मेरे idols, मैं और मेरे idols. काश मैं बना सकता एक और गाना. नाम होता उसका मैं और मेरे rivals. But I ain't got no rivals. But I ain't got no rivals. Yeah, I got some idols. Yeah, I got some idols.
I got some idols.
Very nice.
But
But I constantly took two meanings out of it though. Like, you know, when he's talking about idols and rivals, that one, of course, is that it's a very positive song that he's saying that, yeah, even if rivals exist all around me, I'm not even going to notice them. I'm just going to go with my idols in me. And the other version, you know, which obviously he's also clearly hinting at, is that there are no rivals really. Nobody's a rival. You're constantly learning from people. So, you know, the dual thing that one, that nobody's a rival, you're learning from them as well. And the other side, that I don't even acknowledge my rivals. For me, it's just my real idols and them. So, like, I was hearing the song in both tracks, meaning wise. And दोनों में fit बैठ रहा था, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा था.
Yeah. I was leaning more towards like you know, it's a tribute to the idols, and I can learn from the ones I grew up listening to also, even the ones who are you know, even if they're younger than me and they're doing good work, I can learn from them also. लेकिन rivals मेरे कोई नहीं है, because I'm kind of like, I've been here long enough, like मैं 10 साल से लिख रहा हूँ, so मुझे नया लड़का कैसे टक्कर दे. I put in more time. I put in more time than the rest of them today who are around. So rivals है नहीं, if you think of it that way. So that's. But he set the tone. He set the tone in that first, you know, 3 lines only, 4 lines. कि मैं अगर गाना बना सकता एक और उसका नाम रखता मैं और मेरे rivals. But as soon as he said that, I think it was the 3rd or 4th line. You're like, okay, I'm getting where he's going now. I'm getting the direction this Ghana is gonna take.
But really nice. Like right from Bohemia, he mentioned कि पहली बार तब सुना था, and उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Very nice. He took everyone's name. He spoke about other people. He also focused. I loved at the second half में how the actual Urdu rap started showing up. You know, the words he was using and the quality of words and how he was rhyming. That was beautiful. Very beautiful.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. I think that really stands out whenever I hear that from him. It's a few songs that we've heard it in, but it's just, brilliant. But I've got the lyrics up here, and there were a few lines that I really want to pick out because they were like, oof, oof, oof. Like, you know how in slam poetry, when in a live slam poetry session, when the person says a beautiful line, people snap their fingers, right? So that, like, I wish there was something like that you could do in hip hop, you know, because
we'll snap.
I don't know, we can snap. I guess we can snap, because it's just like, I want to say wow, or I want to like to express in some way when I hear an awesome line, but I keep doing oof, oof, which is not happening. So we will snap at a good line. Okay, so
I also liked the part when he spoke about कि मेरे बुजुर्गों ने कहा, you know, when he spoke that part, like one buzurg told him
ऐसी
that
जिंदगी जियो कि मौत भी डरे तुमसे.
हाँ, जिंदगी गुजार लेके तुझसे मौत डरे. Yeah, so beautiful.
Yeah,
So beautiful.
yeah.
हाँ.
रियल टॉक कोई अपना नहीं गाँव हमारे हैं हम समथिंग 2008 में सुना बोहेमिया को, उसके बाद उर्दू में लिखना किया था शुरू. जो भी मेरे आइडल्स वही मेरे गुरु, राइवल्स मेरे बोरिंग है ब्रो, आई स्मोक रैपर्स जैसे स्कोरिंग है ब्रो. I love that.
Yeah. I also love that line about nosebleed. He also like put it into like, you know, he I think he really likes painting a picture.
Yeah.
Like how when you visually tell a story, you're talking about your story, you're talking about your life, but then suddenly you're painting a picture where the person can imagine how it will happen. So how when he said, you know, I'll make your nose bleed, and like I couldn't sleep, so woke that he was so inspired that he couldn't sleep.
Yeah,
so
even this तुम सो रहे थे जब मैं रातें जाग रहा था, रेस ही नहीं मैराथन भाग रहा था. Like you get the visuals. Yeah,
correct. You get the visuals. The whole picture gets painted in front of you. I like that. I really like that.
Yes, he's got that talent. I like it. So something itne nahi.
And also how he was like, the whole industry is trying to impress everybody and I don't want to play this game. That vibe was so strong in his music. And that only comes when you've like thoda bahut been there, done that, and you're sick and tired of the whole diss culture that is going on. And he's like, I'm done. This, my point is not kisi ko diss marna. Point is not to provoke, nothing. Just like, you know, I like
so this is, but I ain't got no rivals. Yeah, I got some idols. And then he says jinko suno unse seekha koi shak nahi. So it's like whoever you're listening to, you can learn something from them.
So there are no rivals. You know what I mean by how both the tracks dono mein dono lyrics बैठते हैं.
Idols, yes.
Very nice.
There was one other very nice like amazing line.
Loyalty.
I'm trying to find it. नहीं ये बाज ना आए फिर भी करने से comparison of fame. Let's talk about heritage. Fame side पे let's talk about legacy. I like it.
कोई मिला नहीं मेरा saga. That part also, you know, the whole talking about. Yeah.
So dope. I make your nose bleed.
I know, that's the part I was talking about. Like that, I literally like saw it, felt it, and I was like,
so woke raat bhar I couldn't sleep. Yes. I mean, he's got some bars. Okay, there was one more. I know there's one line that I'm trying to find. Is rare.
Like I personally really like the sazishon wala line. Like the way he said it also. I never made Malik, मुझे ऐसे ही मिला था. किसी ने कहा है साजिशों का कोई सिलाना. So that is so true, na, that anybody who is creating any whatever, उनका कोई सिला नहीं मिलता. So I like the meaning behind what he spoke. Like, you know, that's what I meant. The second half, the Urdu verse is very nice.
Were amazing, yeah. You gain some, you lose some. मैं तेरा वो loss हूँ. Love it. मेरे बार अक्स खड़ा तू मेरा अक्स नहीं, मैं जिससे मुतासिर हुआ तू वो शख्स नहीं. I love it. What a line. Okay. जिससे मुतासिर हुआ तू वो शख्स. I got to use this line in daily life. Oh, what else? There was one more somewhere. Okay, it's stuck with me. Something. ये रिश्ता कवर से कवर तक तू दस बरदार गेम से मत दे दखल अब. I don't know the meaning of दस बरदार, so we'll have to look that up. If you guys know, please comment below. Either way, I'll look it up later after this recording. But yes, lovely, love it.
Very nice. Thank you for requesting this one. This one was actually meaningful, lyrical, and like fun to listen to, and it made you kind of think.
Can I just say one thing?
Yes.
One thing before we go is he's got such a beautiful voice. Like it's such a powerful voice. I just wish they hadn't used auto-tune in this because I don't think this song needed it. That was my only thing. I was like, kitni achhi awaaz hai Tala Arjun ki. Every time I listen to a song, I love his voice. And then, you know, they did that little
So the moment I heard the auto-tune, I remembered one of our earlier episodes where we'd had that discussion where you were like, lekin kabhi zaruri hota hai. In my head, I was like,
zaruri nahi tha. It didn't feel like it could have gone in his natural voice, this one. But even then, it didn't take away from the
He's so effortless. He's so
yeah.
effortless that it was.
I just wish they hadn't used it here, but anyway, loved it. What a track! This guy just drops bars like loose change. Anyway,
Ooh, woohoo! That was nice. That was a very nice line.
just came to me on the spot.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, anyway, let's not.
On that high note, bye bye. We shall see you next time.
See you in the next one. Bye.